Okay, let's visit with the questions from your homework, like 11 through 14, as we do a reteaching of this. I'm provided with a function. Let's first evaluate this particular function when x, or the input value, is -2. So I'm going to substitute in -2. -2 times 2 is -4. Subtract 3 is going to be -7. And you're welcome to use a calculator, which I will show you shortly. Now, what do we do when we change that? And we now say, what about 3n? So I take the function, and I'm going to substitute in for the x a 3n. So 2 times 3n is 6n. These are not like terms, cannot be simplified. Let's try one more. What if I said n minus 3? This time I take the function and replace x with n minus 3. So I'll distribute the 2 to get 2n minus 6 minus 3, but in this case I have 3 terms, and 2 of the 3 terms can be simplified. Let's try another problem. Okay, our last example from this reteaching, I'm provided with this following function. Let's evaluate this function when x is -2. Make sure that whenever you replace x with the value, that we are going to put it in parentheses. Now, I'm okay with using a calculator here. Again, same thing. I'm going to put it in parentheses. So -2 squared, subtract 4 times -2 plus 3. We have an answer of 15. Make sure that we write this down correctly. The function g of x, when the input is -2, has an output of 15. All right, let's complicate this. What now if I say that this is going to be 2n to the third? 2n to the third. So wherever I see an x, I'm replacing it with 2n to the third. Okay, remember, this says write this quantity twice. Let me give myself a little more space. Write it twice. And we also need to remember our exponent rules. So here I can multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. And I have the same base that I'm multiplying. It means I add the exponents. 3 and 3 is 6. -4 times 2 is -8. And to the third plus 3. We have 3 terms. I can't combine any terms. This would be my simplified answer. And let's do one more. Our last one here is let's do g of n minus 3. G of n minus 3. Again, in this original function, wherever I see an x, I'm substituting in n minus 3. I'm going to write this quantity twice. N minus 3 times n minus 3. And now I'm going to FOIL. Front, outside, inside, last. I'm going to distribute. And I'm going to combine like terms. N squared. Okay, -3 and -3 is -6. -6 and -4 is -10. 9 and 12 is 21. 21 and 3 is 24.